Hey guys, what's up? It's Adele and welcome back to my channel. So this week's video, I'm going to be sharing a tutorial that I found on TikTok for you guys. It is how to customize / personalize your Mac folders. Instead of seeing that boring old blue folder all the time, you can customize it to pretty much any image you would like to. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos. And without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing to do is obviously create a new folder and just put it to the side. You don't need a name or anything. As you can see, these are the photos that I created. I will be showing you how to do the little text option here, but first I'm going to show you how to put the actual picture onto the folder. Okay, so you're going to want to go into Google and search an image that you want. I'm going to be searching up emojis and make sure that they're transparent and just find the one that you want to use. For this one, I will be using the emoji with the hearts around it. So right click and save the image as. You can name it if you want to. I'm just going to name it emoji and make sure it's saved to your desktop. Once it's saved, you're going to want to open the image up. This is not transparent. You can tell obviously by the white background. Just in case if this does happen, click this little button right here and then this like little magic tool, and then a little plus sign should pop up, and then click and drag down a little bit, and as you can see it turned red. And just make sure you go down so that you don't see any more white spots. Let go and it should outline it in this like moving line, and then once you've done that, click delete and it should get rid of it. So now your picture is transparent. Next you're gonna click edit and then select all and click edit and copy, or you can do Command C. So once you copied your picture, you're going to right click your folder and click get info, and then this should pop up saying all the information about the folder. Then click this little folder icon right here and it should outline it in blue, and then press the keys Command V and it should automatically put the picture that you copied onto the folder. So now your folder has a cute little image on it, and if you want to get rid of this text here, if you don't like how it looks, just act like you're renaming it. Just put a few spaces in there and then click out of it, and there you go. Okay, so let's just say that you want to put text on your image. For example, if you have a heart emoji and you want to put text in the middle here, like I have my folders, open up BeFunky. This is a free picture editing software, or you can use your own picture editing software. This is what I use to edit my thumbnails. Hover over create and then click on photo editor, and then it should open up to this screen here. Click open from your computer and make sure you have the image that you want to put text on already saved. Double click on the image and it should open up like this. If it's already transparent, it's gonna have this like transparent background. You don't have to worry about cropping that out. It'll automatically crop that out when you save it. So hover over the text option and then click add text. A little text box should pop up and you can change to whatever font you would like. I like the Just Another Hand font, and then type the name that you want the folder to be. So I'm just gonna put my stuff. Click off, and then it should be outlined like this. Hover over this and bring it in, and then highlight it again, and you can change the color if you want. I'm going to change it to white, and then the size of the font, you want to make it big or until it fits the image, and then align it to where you think is good. Then once you have the text onto the emoji, click save to your computer and then name it if you want to, and then click save. It's gonna come down here, so click this and then click here and make sure it's saved to your desktop. Mine's at my download, so I'm gonna switch it to my desktop. Once you have your image saved, double click it, make sure there's no background on it, and click edit, select all, and then copy it. Same thing like we did with the first folder. So once you have your image, create a new folder, because if you try and change an image to another folder, for some reason it won't work. So I just recommend creating a new folder, and do the same thing by right clicking, get info. This thing will pop up again, and then click on the folder and click Command V. As you can see, it changed and now it says my stuff. Do the same thing by getting rid of the text, and now you have your own personal little folder with a label on it. And that is how you create your own custom folders with images and add text to them. Another fun thing that you can do with these folders, instead of using emojis and using them for actual folders, as you can see down here, I have this little dog and it's a folder, and it's literally, it looks like the dog is chilling on the top of my dashboard. All I did was went onto Google and searched dog PNG and then download a transparent dog image. I just did the same exact thing like I did for the other folders, And I just took this little guy and put him down here, and now he just looks like he's chilling on my dashboard, which I think this is so adorable. Like, you don't even have to use it for a folder, you could just have it for decoration. So that is how you create custom folders for a Mac. So I really hope this tutorial helped you guys out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and you want more tutorials like this, please leave a like and subscribe down below for more videos. And I will see you guys in my next video.